Adding and amending circuits is quick and easy using the touchscreen controller. Once your controller is set up, you may wish to go back and add or amend a heating circuit. On the main menu, go to the Settings icon at the bottom left of the screen, select Service Settings and type the 4-digit password 0000 and tap Enter. Next, tap Installation Controller. Scroll down to Circuit 1, 2 and 3, then select either a circuit you wish to amend or create. When creating a circuit, follow the list of options starting from the top. As an example, we will now create Circuit 1 with a fixed temperature S-plan radiator for downstairs, with the touchscreen thermostat managing the circuit. Circuit support will enable or disable a space heating circuit and the associated outputs within the wiring center. Toggle this to On. Tap Circuit Name to amend if desired. Tap Circuit Type to assign your emitters. Tap Regulation Method and set to Fixed before confirming by tapping the tick. If shown, tap to toggle Heating Circuit to On. Next, tap Fixed Preset Water Temperature and adjust temperature to the required level and tap the tick to confirm. This will be the circuit water temperature during the day on periods of your schedule. Tap Decreasing Water Temperature and adjust the amount by which the flow temperature will be reduced during the night off periods. Tap Thermostat to open the pairing process and select Control Panel to assign the touchscreen display as the circuit thermostat. Finally, as this is an S-plan circuit, the zone valve will be opened and closed by the thermostat, requiring thermostatic pump blockade to be toggled to On. Circuit demands will be created when the temperature falls below the configured circuit hysteresis value. To return to the home screen, tap the back arrow. Find out more at grantuk.com.